Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mike, and I am just here to give a quick update on the status of my car. If you haven't seen the videos before, my car was probably one of, if not the first EV6 to be wrecked here in North America. I was rear-ended at a stoplight, just to kind of give you the backstory, and that happened the beginning of March. I had the car about 3 weeks, and I've been going back and forth with the insurance company trying to get it fixed. Actually, I was trying to get it totaled because there's no parts to get it fixed. Well, it eventually came out that the car is fixable. Insurance company's not going to total it. So from the last video, the latest update is they sent me a check to cover the initial, what they estimated, the initial appraisals, which I sent them pictures. So they obviously didn't see everything. And I guess that's common with cars. I haven't been in a wreck in a long time, so I don't really know how the whole process goes. But apparently they'll send me the check. I find the body shop, and then I will pay them the initial amount, and then once the body shop tears it down and there's more damage, they're going to send a supplemental claim. And so after going through insurance, trying to get it total, they're not going to total it. My next biggest hurdle was trying to find a shop. I started locally. I'm in Fayetteville, North Carolina. I started locally. I called all the big shops. I called all the Kia dealerships. I even called the Kia dealership up in Raleigh where I bought the car from. And the problem with the EV6 is it's a brand new model, as you all know, and it's also electric. So a lot of the places that work on the cars, they don't work on electric vehicles. And so I did find a place up in Raleigh, and they agreed to work on my car. However, they said Kia hasn't released any of the specs on how to properly fix the cars. So then that was out. And so Raleigh's about an hour and a half away from me, and so I started widening my circle to find a body shop that would work on it. I called a Kia dealership in Greensboro that has a body shop, and then I called a Kia dealership in Charlotte. Dutch Miller Kia in Charlotte has agreed to take my car to get it fixed. So Charlotte's about two and a half hours away from me. What's going to happen is I'm going to drive my car up there. They're going to take a quick look at it and also look at the insurance appraisal. And then based off that, they're going to order the parts. My car is still drivable. I took it to a Kia dealership that's local, and they had a tech come out. He looked at it. I did an alignment test on it. The alignment checks out. The tech got underneath the car, said it doesn't look like any of the frame was hit. So I am still driving it. I don't have any of the smart features. I can't do the automatic pull in, park itself, pull out, stuff like that. I can't do automatic lane changing because I'm missing sensors. But for the most part, I've been driving it because, I kind of had no choice. So what's going to happen is, like I said before, I'm going to go up to Charlotte. They're going to inspect my car. Hopefully I'm going to get up there this week. They're going to inspect my car. They're going to order all the parts that they think it needs, that they identify it needs. And then once the parts come in, then they're going to call me back, and I'll go up there and I'll drop my car off. Right now, every part that they looked at on the insurance claim or the insurance appraisal, every single part is on back order. And so he doesn't want me to take my car up there and drop it off, because who knows how long it would be sitting. He said, the guy at the body shop said they have a 2013 or 2023 Kia Sportage that's been waiting 6 months for a new bumper. So I don't really want my car sitting up there, and I don't think the insurance company is going to give me a vehicle for that long. So that's kind of where I'm at right now. The positives, I found a dealership that's going to take it. They're going to pre-order the parts. I'm going to pay them then what the insurance paid me. They're going to order the parts, and then when they come in, I'll take my car up there. That way my car's not sitting for 2, 3, 4, 6 months. That's kind of where I sit right now. Like I said, I've been driving the car. I guess I'm missing the bottom of my bumper, if you've seen the previous videos. I've tucked the hanging part, kind of tucked it in there so it's not dragging on the ground. And I haven't really had any issues. I try not to drive in the rain still because I'm not sure if the trunk is sealed, and I don't really want to test it. But everything else, the Kia tech says it looks good. It should be safe to drive. Alignment checked out. So it is what it is right now. I can still drive it. I'm still getting around. I'm still using it. And so that is where I stand today, April 24th. Like I said, next week I should be taking it up there. If I can find time in my schedule, take it up there. They'll do a quick look, order the parts, and then from there on, it's kind of just a waiting game. And so my next update, hopefully, will be sooner rather than later, but my next update will probably be, once I take my car up there and drop it off. So anyway, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. I try to, when people ask me questions, I try to be transparent, let them know, what exactly is going on. But like I said, kind of is standstill. I'm going to go up to Charlotte this weekend. They're going to order the parts. And then when the parts come in, I'll take my car back up there. But yeah, that's about it. So I appreciate you watching. I appreciate all you guys that have commented and, sent your well wishes and all that. It's cool that, I'm just some dude on the internet, on YouTube, but you guys, I feel like you guys are as invested in this experience as I am. So I appreciate it, and I hope you guys all have a great day. And once again, if you want to, see the last couple updates, who knows when they're going to be, but feel free to follow this. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. I also do, if you're in Charlotte or in the Fayetteville, North Carolina, or in the Carolinas, I do kind of travel videos, show events. I actually have a video from when I went up to Charlotte last weekend where I went to Carowinds, if you're interested about that. But I didn't really mean for this channel to turn into the saga of my wrecked EV6. So hopefully everyone that's subscribed, hopefully you guys stick around and watch, what there is to do in North Carolina. And until next time, have a great day. Thanks for watching.